Can you see that balance? 50,236.31. Yeah, my name is Robert Hollis. I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. And I just got involved. I've never done any trading at all, ever. So to log in and see that balance is pretty amazing. Now, first, let me tell you that you don't have to know anything. I got involved with a promotion. They gave me OPM, other people's money. This company actually gave me $50,000 to trade. It's like crazy, right? And here's what it does. They give you the money, you got to go through a couple of things, and then you do a challenge. Well, then all of a sudden it's called tap to trade. So these things show up on your phone and it buzzes. And I last night, very first time that I've ever done this, and these two trades came in and I heard the little, notice, and then all of a sudden I just tapped on them. And I'll show you what it looks like on your phone. So it sort of pops up. So it looks like that. And so all of a sudden what you do is you just click approve, and there was two of them that came through. And then they show you how to connect it with a thing called Trade Locker. And so I can confirm that. You can see that that it just shows right there. Let me get this here. And you can see the same balance at the top. All right. There we go. So you see the same on the top. So you see the two greens, the reds are fees. And so I, A, got involved, B, went through and filled everything out. We got short videos for you to figure out. And then I just did the tap and trade and made, $236, my very first day in trading. And so, man, I know there's a lot of people out there right now that need to make money. The economy in 62 years of age, I've never seen the economy this bad for people. And people need to make money, but they don't want to build a brand, website, funnels, everything. They don't want to, reach out to family and friends. They don't want to, build a YouTube channel or do a bunch of posting, doing dancing or whatever on TikTok or other social medias. They don't want to be an influencer. And, they don't want to advertise. They don't want to buy lists and call people. And listen, I don't blame you. So imagine making money, just learning to make money. Now, I know it would normally take years. Why I've never been interested in trading is because I know that I need to master that skill just like I would have to master anything else. But with tap and trade, with Akashic, it allows me to be able to very simply show people all the documentation, then get them hooked up. They can do a demo account, a free account, and then when they're ready to do tap and trade, they can make that decision. So I hope this video helped you. Again, I can't say that you're gonna make money. I just know that I did because I'm good at following instructions. I'm very, very simple. I like just doing the little basic stuff. And so, sometimes ignorance is bliss. So if you have any questions, I'd love for you to be able to reach out to us. Let us help you. And man, my whole life, all I love doing is helping other people figure out what they want in life and then imagine and then make that happen. So if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and we'll see you soon.